Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get and how to use one-handed mode on Android phone. First, you're going to go into settings. Next, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select advanced features. From here, you're going to tap on one-handed mode and you're going to turn it on. And you can select to use the gesture, for instance, by swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen to enable the one-handed mode. I prefer to use the button by simply double tapping on the home button. So once you have turned it on and you have selected the mode that you would like to use to enable the one-handed gesture, you're going to simply close out of it. And I enable it by using the home button. So I'll tap on the home button twice and you can see that now it is in the one-handed mode. So now I'll be able to have easy access to all of the apps and all of the features on my phone. And if I like to come out of the one-handed mode, all I have to do is double tap on the home button again. And that's it. So to go into the one-handed mode again, I'll double tap, and to come out, you double tap. That's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to use the one-handed mode or the one-handed gesture on Android